Welcome children. Exercise 9.6. Question number 13. Find a particular solution satisfying the given condition. 13th one, dy by dx plus 2y tan x which is equal to sin x. Y equal to 0 and x equal to pi by 3. It's an important question. So dy by dx plus 2 into tan x of y, which is equal to sin x. The first step, dy by dx plus p into y, which is equal to q. P is the coefficient of y, so 2 tan x, and q is sin x. Second step, we have to find the integrating factor, which is equal to integral of e to the power of p dx, which is equal to e to the power of p is 2 tan x, so 2 integral of tan x dx, which is equal to integral of tan x is log secant x, which is equal to e to the power of 2 log secant x. So taking this 2 to the power of secant x, which is equal to e to the power of log secant square x. So e to the power of log secant square x is secant square x. Then third step, we have to find the required solution of the given differential equation, which is y into if, which is equal to integral of q into if dx plus c. Y into integrating factor is secant square x, which is equal to integral of q is sin x, integrating factor is secant square x dx plus c, which is equal to integral of sin x. Secant square x is 1 by cos square x. So cos square x, we can split it into 2 sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x dx plus c, which is equal to integral of tan x secant x dx plus c. So integral of secant x tan x dx is secant x. So y into secant square x, which is equal to secant x plus c. Put y equal to 0 and x equal to pi by 3. Substituting in this equation to get the value of c, we can take this equation as 1. So putting y equal to 0, so 0 into secant square pi by 3, which is 0, which is equal to secant pi by 3 plus c, which is equal to 0 equal to 2 plus c, so c equal to minus 2. Substituting c equal to minus 2 in first equation, we get y into secant square x, which is equal to secant x minus 2. So y equal to secant x by secant square x minus 2 by secant square x. So cancelling 1. So 1 by secant x is cos x, which is equal to cos x minus 2 cos square x, which is the required solution. 14th one, 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy, which is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square, y equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So we have to write this equation in the form of dy by dx plus py, which is equal to q. The same way, but we have to substitute the value of y and x to get the value of c, and writing the equation in terms of y. So dy by dx plus 2x by 1 plus x square into y, which is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. The whole equation is divided by 1 plus x square. Then which is in the form of dy by dx plus py, which is equal to q. Here p is 2x by 1 plus x square and q is 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. Now we have to find the integrating factor, which is e to the power of integral p dx, which is equal to e to the power of integral 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Here we have to use substitution method to find the integrand value. So when we take 1 plus x square as t, differentiating that we get 2x dx. So we can write this integrand as dt by t, which is log t. So replacing t, we get log of 1 plus x square, which is equal to e to the power of dt by t is log t. So log of 1 plus x square, e to the power of log of 1 plus x square is 1 plus x square. Then third step, we have to find y into if, which is equal to integral of q into if dx plus c. So y into if, y into 1 plus x square, which is equal to integral of 1 by 1 plus x square whole square into 1 plus x square dx plus c. Substitute the value of if and q. So cancelling 1, we get dx by 1 plus x square plus c. So integral of dx by 1 plus x square is tan inverse of x. Fifteenth one, dy by dx minus 3y cot x. So I have written this as 3 cot x of y, which is equal to sin 2x, y equal to 2 and x equal to pi by 2. Have to write this equation in the form of dy by dx plus py, which is equal to q. P is minus 3 cot x and q is sin 2x. Then the second step, we have to find integrating factor, which is equal to e to the power of integral p dx, which is equal to e to the power of minus 3 cot x dx. So integral of cot x is log sin x. So e to the power of minus log 3 log sin x, which is equal to e to the power of minus log sin cube x, taking this to the power 3, which is equal to e to the power of, so minus of log sin cube x, we can write this as 1 by sin cube x, e to the power of log of 1 by sin cube x, which is equal to e to the power of log of something is 1 by sin cube x. Now the third step, y into if, which is equal to integral of q into if of dx plus c. Q is sin 2x and if is 1 sin cube x into dx plus c. So using sin 2x as 2 sin x cos x. So 2 sin x cos x by sin cube x into dx. Cancelling 1 sin, we have 2 cos x by sin square x. So cos by sin is cot and 1 by sin is cosecant. So integral of 2 cot x cosecant x dx. So cosecant x cot x dx is minus cosecant x, which is equal to minus 2 cosecant x plus c. So y into if, y into 1 by sin cube x, which is equal to minus 2 cosecant x plus c. Now we have to substitute the value of x and y to find c and then substitute in this equation. Let us take this equation as 1 and put in y equal to 2 and x equal to pi by 2. So y into 1 by sin pi by 2 whole power 3, otherwise sin cube of pi by 2, which is equal to minus 2 cosecant pi by 2 plus c. So y is 2. So 2 by sin cube pi by 2, which is 1, 2 by 1. So 2 equal to minus 2 plus c. C equal to 4. Substituting c in first equation, we get y by sin cube x it is equal to minus 2 cosecant x plus 4. So multiplying the equation by sine cube x, we'll get y equal to minus 2 cosecant x sine cube x plus 4 sine cube x, which is equal to minus 2 sine square x. So cosecant is 1 by sine. Cancelling one sine, we get 2 into sine square x. So minus 2 into sine square x plus 4 sine cube x, which is the required solution. 16th question. Find the equation of a curve passing through the origin given that the slope of the tangent to the curve at any point x comma y, which is equal to the sum of the coordinates of the point. Here it's given slope of the tangent which is equal to sum of the coordinates of the point. Let dy by dx be the slope of the tangent. So it's given that dy by dx, which is equal to sum of the coordinates. X and y are the coordinates of the point. So x plus y. Then we have to write this in the form of dy by dx plus p y, which is equal to q. So dy by dx minus y, which is equal to x. Here p is minus 1. The coefficient of y is 1. So p is minus 1 and q is x. Now we have to find integrating factor, which is e to the power of integral p dx, which is equal to e to the power of minus dx, which is e to the power of minus x. Then the third step, y into if, which is equal to integral of q into if dx plus c, which is equal to integral of q is x and if is e power minus x into dx plus c. Here we have the product of two functions. We have to use integration by parts. So the first part is the algebraic function, which is x, and the second part is an exponential function, which is e power minus x. First part is u, which is x. Differentiating this, we get dx. Second part is dv, e power minus x dx. Integrating this, we get v equal to e power minus x. Let's take this equation as I1. So I1 is integral of x into e power minus x dx, which is equal to, using the formula u into dv, uv minus integral of v du, which is equal to u into v minus x into e power minus x minus v into du. V is e power minus x. So minus of minus plus e power minus x dx, which is equal to minus x e power minus x plus, integrating this, we get e power minus x by minus 1, which is minus. Then I1 is minus x into e power minus x minus e power minus x. Then substituting this I1 here, y into e power minus x, which is equal to minus x into e power minus x minus e power minus x plus c. Substitute the value of x and y. The equation of a curve which passing through the origin. So x is 0 and y is 0. Here it is 0, which is equal to minus 0 into something is 0 and minus e power minus 0 plus c. C equal to 1. Here it is minus 1 plus c equal to 0. So c equal to 1. Substituting this in first equation. So y into e power minus x, which is equal to minus x into e power minus x minus e power minus x plus y equal to minus x into e power minus x by e power minus x, cancelling this, minus e power minus x by e power minus x, cancel this, plus 1 by e power minus x. So y equal to minus x minus 1 plus e power x. So y plus x plus 1, which is equal to e power x, which is the required solution. Hope you all understood linear differential equation. So 17th question, which is similar to 16th. 17th one is find the equation of a curve passing to the point 0, 2. Here the points given as 0, 2, x is 0 and y is 2. Given that the sum of the coordinates of any point on the curve exceeds the magnitude of the slope of the tangent to the curve at that point by 5. The sum of the coordinates of any point is x plus y, which is equal to, it exceeds the magnitude of the slope of the tangent by 5. So dy by dx plus 5, that is sum of the coordinates x plus y, which is equal to dy by dx plus 5. So we have to write this equation in the form of dy by dx plus py, which is equal to q. And second step, which is used to find the integrating factor. And the third step, you have to find the solution. So using y into if, which is equal to integral of q into if plus c. And the fourth step, to find the particular solution, you have to substitute the value of x and y to get c, and then substitute in the general solution so that you can get a particular solution. Thank you, children.